Have you ever sent an email that bounced back, even though the address was correct? Today's real IT case study follows one mysterious email and the engineer who uncovered what really happened. It started with a simple support ticket. A user reported that emails sent to a known contact kept bouncing back despite the address being correct. At first glance, it looked like a standard delivery issue, but something didn't add up. Digging deeper revealed the real cause. The recipient had an automatic forwarding rule enabled. When the message was forwarded, it was resent without proper authentication. This caused ARC validation to fail, and Microsoft's filters flagged the message as unauthenticated. The conclusion was clear. The email was delivered successfully. The bounce occurred because of the recipient's forwarding configuration, not an issue with the sender's domain. The solution was simple: review and adjust the forwarding rules. Here's the key takeaway for IT engineers and administrators. Always analyze authentication headers. Understand how forwarding can break SPF, DKIM, DMARC, and ARC. And use message tracing to follow the full delivery path, not just the final result. One email, one mystery, one smart engineer. Subscribe to Event Viewer Lab for more real-world IT troubleshooting case studies and practical insight.